This is an extension cord storage upcycling design for used filament spools. I remixed this model myself, and it doesn't have any extra parts to go along with it. It's just the 2 screw bolts and then the handle that you can see there on the top. So it's pretty simple to print and to assemble together with 2 spools. You can use it for most any extension cord, and you can see it's held together pretty tight there just by screwing the parts together. So the model with the screw bolts is what I remixed to have a handle. So you can see 2 of the ends there at the back right here on the video. That was the original model, and I just used one of those to make the handle section, and now let's get this assembled. Alright, so for the first spool it's pretty simple, just twisting in the screw bolt to the first end of the handle, and already assembled that way. Now I'm not going to be able to record while I tighten in the second one here, but obviously just have your second spool ready to go and be able to tighten it into the second end of the handle with the 2 spools interlocked a little bit, and this is the end result. And I already showed at the beginning an extension cord wrapped around here. Should work for most any extension cord, and these should be easy to hang up with a hook on a wall for storage as well. Now I have used individual spools to store Christmas lights, but longer strands of Christmas lights with like 100 lights on them that's quite a bit for a single spool. So this actually works a little better to have the 2 spools with a longer strand of lights wound around it here. So I'm gonna have to use some of these for lights as well as extension cords. All that's left to show is the printing time lapse. And here's the screw bolt with the original end piece. That's real simple to print with no supports, and thank you all for watching.